What if your kitchen could completely disappear when you're not using it? Yes, with nearly 65% of homeowners preferring open, clutter-free spaces, invisible kitchens are redefining modern Canadian homes by hiding appliances and storage behind sleek panels. Welcome to PartsMelange. As living areas become more compact, 70% to 80% of modern homeowners are leaning toward these space-saving, minimalist layouts. By blending cooking zones seamlessly into living and dining areas, they create a highly adaptable, multifunctional environment. The secret lies in combining minimalist design elements with smart technology. Flat panel cabinetry, a neutral color palette, and handleless designs eliminate visual breaks, making the space feel visually larger and calmer. Hidden storage and matte finishes keep countertops clean while reducing glare and fingerprints. Meanwhile, integrated surfaces cover sinks and cooktops when not in use, achieving an 80% to 85% overall impact in improving visual simplicity. Smart tech enhances this experience through built-in smart appliances operating quietly behind panels, touch controls, and automated lighting that improves visibility without disrupting the design. Check out our blog, Invisible Kitchens in Canada, Smart Minimalist Home Design 2026, linked in the description below, to explore these futuristic remodeling trends in deeper detail. To maintain this seamless look and ensure your hidden systems continue to operate efficiently, high-quality appliance parts are crucial. At PartsMelange, we sell premium home appliance parts to keep your hidden refrigerators, ovens, dishwashers, and more running with long-lasting performance. Upgrade your modern kitchen with high-quality appliance parts from PartsMelange.ca. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our social media channels for more updates. Thanks for watching.